This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 58 Case Study I Spatial Cloud Computing. The presentation begins by introducing PHIL experimentation, which links real hardware with simulated networks, enabling realistic testing of systems like grid-detected DFIG wind turbines connected via power amplifiers. The setup involves scaling and exchanging voltage and current signals between the RTDS simulator and the external DFIG device using GTAO cards, facilitating a bidirectional interaction that replicates real-world conditions. Symmetrical and asymmetrical faults are then applied to the DFIG wind system, with the asymmetrical case causing larger disturbances in rotor voltages, DC link voltages, and power fluctuations due to the negative sequence component's impact. Clear distinctions are observed between the two fault scenarios, highlighting the severity of asymmetrical faults and the transient effects they impose on the system's currents, voltages, and power output. In conclusion, the lecture emphasizes the potential of PHIL techniques for realistic testing of renewable energy systems, predicting wider adoption for grid-compliant studies and analyzing transient effects, while acknowledging challenges in signal scaling and converter limitations during asymmetrical faults. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.